Yeah, this thing's immediately whipping up dust devils. Oh my gosh. Yeah, got 50, 60 mile an hour wind gusts. Or something along those lines. Those things are making noise. To my knowledge, this thing's the culprit for the wind in Okanogan right now. Oh my gosh. It's howling. Dust whipping up everything. Get dust devils. Chickens over there were having a shit time with this. Yeah. I'm getting this on camera. Yeah. But yeah, this is fun. Fun storm. But that's a storm to the south. It looks like it wants to stay to the south. East it looks like, so. But it's definitely getting stronger. Especially with this wind. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if this produces a tornado. Now, get it on camera. Storm. Alright, well, BRB. Well, back. This will be combined to the other video. But yeah, this storm is just whipping up wind and everything. Like, I might get some dust devils. Have to walk down this way, but I'm just gonna fall on my face if I do. But yeah, this is a nice system there. Really not much else to bring up, but yeah, as it's just going east, and it's not gonna really do anything for us directly, except for this wind. Oh my god. Yeah. Basically, if you ever visit the Okanogan area, when it says rain in the forecast, expect the high winds. So yeah, that's basically what that means. But yeah, anyways, that does seem to be it for right now. So yeah, stay safe. See you next video. Bye.